Eager to dive into the stock market but unsure where to begin? You're in the right place. Today, I'm highlighting 6 free courses that will unlock the essential keys and secrets to successful investing. We will share the link to the free courses at the end of the video. Welcome back to a new free courses tutorial in our channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And let's unlock some incredible learning opportunities together. Let's get started. Course 1. How to invest in the stock market for beginners. This course is perfect for those just starting out. It offers a comprehensive introduction to stock market investing, covering everything from the basics to more advanced concepts. And yes, it's completely free. Next up, Course 2, How to Start Investing. This one dives into the fundamentals of investing, helping you set financial goals and understand different investment options. Whether you're looking at stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, this course has got you covered. And the best part, it's free. Moving on to Course 3, Investment Analysis and Portfolio Management. Here you'll learn investment analysis techniques and how to manage a diversified portfolio effectively. It's a fantastic resource for understanding the nitty-gritty of portfolio diversification. And yes, it's free too. Value Investing Fundamentals is next. This course introduces you to the principles of value investing and teaches you how to identify undervalued stocks. If you're interested in long-term investment strategies, this is a must. And, you guessed it, it's free. Then we have Course 5, 5 Keys to Investing. Discover 5 essential keys to making informed and successful investment decisions. These insights are crucial for any budding investor. Best of all, it's free. Finally, Course 6-12, Secrets of Wealthy Investors. This course reveals the top secrets that have guided wealthy investors to success in the stock market. It's packed with valuable insights and is completely free. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in these courses today and kickstart your investment journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content, and share it with anyone who's interested in investing. Thanks for watching and happy investing.